the fragrance oil used in this soap is called Winter Wonderland. It's got hints of pine and cranberries, a little bit of pineapple notes, a little bit of sweet, and a little bit of woods, and it's really wonderful at Christmas. So this is one of 2 Christmas soaps that I'm doing this year. I cut way back just for this year. I don't want to be left over with a lot of Christmas soap or holiday soap, so I'm just limiting it, and we'll see how if I can sell them all. That would be great. So I've already extruded, I don't know if I should tell you guys or let you guys guess what this soap is, but I've already extruded 4 different embeds for this soap. I think I'll let you guys try to guess. As you watch the video, you can take your guesses. At one point you'll probably get it pretty quickly. It's so pretty. I love that green color as it's blending. Okay, so I blended this portion of my soap because I want it to thicken rather quickly. I want it to be able to hold the embeds that I put in without them sinking to the bottom, and I want to be able to form it a little bit. So when I blend it, that helps it to thicken up faster. Otherwise I'd be sitting here and waiting for it for quite a while. So I'm going to go ahead and start mixing the next color and just let this base sit for just a few minutes while I'm mixing to give it a chance to thicken up even a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to start adding the embeds. You may have seen this in other videos, but the embeds are these long pieces of soap dough that I have extruded through a big tube that's got kind of like a disc at the end with a shape. And just think of Play-Doh and how when you were a kid you pushed the Play-Doh through a little thing and it made a long cane shape. The same idea here. Soap dough is soap that's had the chance for the lye to do its work, usually about 24 hours, but also you keep the air away from it so that it is workable. I extruded them a little too long, so I gotta cut them down to fit into the mold. I'm also a little concerned that I'm not gonna have enough room between each shape, and I really wanna make sure that I get the soap poured in there so there's no air bubbles or air pockets in the soap. Here we go. Let's just see if we can get this in there. It's still a little too long. I don't wanna cut off too much. I want it to go to the ends. There we go. I still got another one, so I'm moving over just a little bit so I can get the third one in there. This is really tight. So this is the last embed, and this one is going to be half in and half on the top. And at this point, I think you probably could guess what the theme of this soap is. So guess to yourself, and then when we cut it real shortly here, you can see if you were correct. So, did you guess the Wiseman? Did you get it right? Were you close? Were you not close at all? I think the star on the top kind of gave it away.